Just like a well-packed shopping bag, idiomatic expressions can add depth and color to your English language skills. Window shopping. When someone goes window shopping, it means they are exploring what stores have to offer, but aren't planning to spend money. It's like shopping with your eyes, rather than your wallet. For example, I spent the afternoon window shopping with my friends, but I didn't buy anything. I'm trying to save money this month, so I'm going to do some window shopping instead of buying new clothes.
What did you do at the mall yesterday?
Oh, just some window shopping. I didn't buy anything this time. Shop around. When you shop around, it means you are actively looking at different options, such as stores, brands, or providers, to find the most favorable terms or prices. For example, before buying a new smartphone, it's a good idea to shop around at various electronics stores to see which one offers the best deal. We decided to shop around for car insurance, and by doing so, we were able to find a policy that saved us a significant amount of money.
Did you decide on a new phone yet?
Not yet. I'm planning to shop around this weekend to compare prices at different stores. To haggle. To haggle is a verb that describes the act of negotiating or bargaining over the price or terms of a purchase. It's a common practice in many cultures and is often used to try to get a better deal when buying goods or services. For example, at the flea market, I haggled with the seller to get a lower price for the antique vase. I was able to haggle the price down on the new refrigerator by pointing out a few minor scratches on the side.
How much did you pay for that antique vase?
I managed to haggle the price down to $50. The seller originally asked for $80. Impulse buying. Impulse buying typically involves buying items that were not on a person's shopping list and were not planned for beforehand. It's when someone buys something spontaneously, driven by sudden desire or emotion. For example, I didn't plan to buy this expensive handbag, but it was so beautiful that I couldn't resist the impulse. I had a lot of regret after my impulse buying spree at the electronics store. I didn't need most of what I bought.
I noticed you bought a new dress. Was that on your shopping list?
No, it was an impulse buy. I saw it and couldn't resist. Shop till you drop. When someone shops till they drop, it means they are spending an extended amount of time shopping, often going from store to store without taking breaks. For example, during the holiday season, some people shop till they drop, trying to find the perfect gifts for everyone on their list. On Black Friday, many people shop till they drop, hoping to snag the best deals of the year.
How was your day at the mall?
Exhausting. I shopped till I dropped, but I found some great deals. Bargain hunting. Bargain hunting involves looking for products or services that are on sale, marked down, or offered at a reduced price. For example, she's a skilled bargain hunter. She always manages to find the best discounts on clothing. Before making a big purchase like a new laptop, it's important to do some bargain hunting to find the best deal.
Why do you spend so much time looking for discounts?
I enjoy bargain hunting. It's fun to save money while shopping.